Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be decorating my journal, which is the Sophisticated Florals, and we are decorating the week of April 25th through May 1st. I am going to be using my own stickers that I have printed and cut with my Cricut, and I did this already in my catch-all and now I'm doing it in my journal. It's going to be a super quick spread. I just want to include a few girls and some flowers. That spread really turned out lovely in the other one, and I wanted the same vibe in my journal as I am pretty much in love with the other one. So I'm adding a few girls that are reading and just kind of sitting down and relaxing. So I'm slowly taking them off of my pages and adding them right here. Yep, that is awesome. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add this lovely girl as well. Okay, if you are joining me for the first time on my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you found me. If you are coming back, thank you so much for spending your time with me yet again. I really appreciate you. So I just wanted to say that before I continue. And like I said, this planner is my journal, so I never know what I'm going to be writing in here. And with that said, the planner is called Sophisticated Florals. So I've been sticking with the same planner for quite a while now. I'm surprised with myself that I haven't switched yet, but I've been really loving it. Okay, so let's add a basket. And maybe another one right there. And then I can write all my stuff around it, hopefully, and if not, I can always add an additional page or something. So let's see how much I have to write, but so far so good. I don't know why I printed such an enormous amount of stickers, but I did, and I love them all, so I can't help myself that I'm kind of an over planner when it comes to my stickers, and the addiction is real. Okay, let's add a bike. And that's almost done. I hope that you guys are enjoying this. And enjoying these stickers, because like I said, these were so gorgeous when I saw them. I couldn't pass them by. Okay, I am pretty much done with this spread. I'm going to leave it as is. I hope you guys like it as much as I do, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're already not, and comment as always. I love hearing from you guys. Have a great week, and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching. Bye!